much are you selling it? Siguro medyo mura ng, medyo mahal ng konti kasi slightly used daw.
Feeling na talaga.
Oh.
Slightly used.
Oo.
Lang yan. Slightly
Oo.
used.
Oh, baka mahal to kasi slightly used eh. Marami pang areas na hindi nagagamit.
Tapos naka-note sa baba, no, diagnosis. Nothing much interesting.
Yes.
Nothing really going on.
Slightly used nga.
Not much activity.
Brains! Okay. Final song is...
Because of You by Neo.
Bakit anong kasalanan namin?
Because of you.
Ay, the one from Neo?
Yeah.
Okay. Kala ko yung kay Celine Dion eh.
May version din yun si ano.
Magsisiling Dion, Dre.
Tagalog version yan, alam mo ba, kinanta ni Pilita Corrales?
Oh, sige nga. Ano?
Dahil sa'yo.
Oo nga! Ano ba? Yun nga yun eh. Oh, ano ba English nun?
Because of you.
Oh, tama.
Tama na lawan eh. Last song na.
Kinakain na natin.
Alright.
It's recording already pala. Kanina pa tayo nagkukulitan on the air. By the way, this song is brought to you by Globe Prepaid AllNet 25 pesos. Last song na ng ating live band right now, Jello Band.
Okay.
Partner?
All right. So for their fifth and final song, to give us the their version of the song called "Because of You." All right. So let's welcome them one last time. Of course, the Jello Band.
Ooh, yeah. Want to, but I can't help it. I love the way it feels. Just kinda stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and I don't know what to do about it. Even if I did, I don't. If I would quit, but I doubt that I'm taken by the thoughts of me. And I know this much is true, baby. You have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, can't barely move, but I like it, and it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because never get enough. She's the sweetest drug. She's the sweetest drug. Think of it every second. I can't get nothing done. Only concern is the next time. Come get me some. I should have stayed away from, 'cause it's no good for me. I try, but my obsession won't let me leave. I got a problem and I don't know what to do about it. Even if I did, I don't. If I would quit, but I doubt that I'm taken by the thoughts of me. And I know this much is true, baby. You have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, can't barely move, but I like it, and it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because never get enough. She's the sweetest drugs. She's the sweetest drug.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Thank you so very much.
Pleasure having you here.
Definitely, deep pleasure.
Jello
having you
Band.
here. Jello Band.
Uh-huh.
hindi ko pa pala natin natanong bakit Jello.
Oo nga pala, bakit Jello? A little bit of FYI.
Actually, name niya yun.
Nino?
Niya.
Name mo Jello.
Parang katulad din kay Bojo Band. Kasi si Bojo, di ba?
Alright.
Jello Band, Jello. Thank you again.
Thank you rin po.
And sa susunod po.
Thank you. Inimbitahan po namin yung Bon Jovi. Tsaka
Oo.
yung Metallica. Kaya lang busy sila.
Busy sila eh. Hindi raw sila pwede. Sayang. Pero kung pwede. No?
Alright.
Okay, thank you po. Kami po ay magpapaalam na rin. Jello Band, thank you so very much. Si Ephraim, si Elias, and si John Edward. Okay. John, teka na. Tama, di ba?
John Edward.
John Edward. John Edward.
I got 2 words for you guys.
What?
Sa uulitin.
Sa ulitin.
Dalawa lang ba yun? Sa
Uulitin.
tsaka litin. May uu.
May susunod pang word yun eh.
Ano?
Patawad. Patawad mo na ngayon, Dre. Walang maibigay. Walang ma-endure na. Pwede na ba yung ano? May piso pa yata ako dyan. Okay.
Nandito
Thank
na partner
you.
yung mga
Nga, yung
guys
susunod
of Vibe
natin.
Sessions.
Vibe
Yeah, that's gonna be next.
definitely.
All
Thank you
right.
so very much. And we're out of here.
Yeah. of
Your
course. We're
FM
outta
Radio
here.
Jog Double B.
All right. And Tommy G.
And
Peace. We're out of
peace,
here.
we're out of here. By the way,
stand by for Aris and he has Mitch and Kyle for
Mitch
today,
and
right?
Kyle.
And sino pa? Meron pa ba? Baka
si
may
Mitch
napunta.
ng the Lounge Resto Bar and si Kyle floating yan eh. Saan mo makakita nagmi-mix yan eh. Nagmi-mix
Floating,
nagmi-mix ng song doon, nagmi-mix dito, nagmi-mix dyan.
Also, in-invite din ni DJ Aris. Di ba, kung tayo nag-invite tayo ng band.
Si David Guetta,
Yeah.
oo.
Si David Guetta, tsaka si
Saka
Testo.
si Armin Van Buren, si
Kaya lang
Tiesto.
busy rin sila.
Busy daw
eh.
sila, hindi makarating.
Next time na
Sayang.
lang.
Next time na lang.
All right.
Okay. All of our international viewers, maraming salamat.
Yeah, maraming salamat po. Yung mga nasa Ustream, sila Choki, JM Productions. Kaibigan natin yan, sila JM Productions.
Yep.
Si Merly 12, si Obin 22, and Tama Homie J. Salamat po.
Okay. So, ang song po, yung last na tinugtog ng Jello Band. What is the title again?
Because of You.
Because of You by Neo.
Yes.
And Jello Band. That song, the last song, was brought to you by Globe Prepaid. All net 25 pesos.
Todo na to! Let's go sort of all the way!
Labo, di ba? So I settle for